Tower AC 3792 is reporting fast.
Okay, 3792, tower, wind 2701 street, gust 18, and 27 left, clear to land.
27 left, clear to land, AC 3792.
AC 3711, left Alpha 1, what's the gate? AC 3711, roger, join Bravo and contact on point.
Sierra 3396, turn right heading 320, remain on the frequency, runway 28 right from November 5, clear for takeoff.
Sierra 320, clear for takeoff, to right, November 5, clear for
American 2300 over tower, wind 2009, runway 2 right at November.
over the ground, point 9, 732.
Wait. Maple 7582, turn right heading 040.
Right, 040, Maple 7582.
465, left here, Charlie 1 if you have it. If unable, take it to the end and make a left.
Charlie 1, we got it.
American 465, thanks. Going Zulu, kind of ground on 124.12, see ya.
American 35 ground, pushback roof, tail north, and advisory to go. 1671 tower, and 23012, runway 27 left, clear to land.
And land, 27 left, yeah, 1671. 24172, soaring 320. Right 2. Right 320. Right 320, AC 4172. AC 3992, turn right tank 320, runway 2, right November 5, from St.
Bravo.
Straight ahead, Alpha 1 to join Bravo, American 2070.
Yeah, contact ground 121.9 on Bravo. Thanks, American 2709.
2709. 47, contact departure 125.0.